When the structure is calculated, the results will be available in the process toolbar under results. We have 1D internal forces, 1D deformations, or we can find them via the menu, results, 1D members. We see that there are also 1D stresses available, and we can simply add them by dragging and dropping to the process toolbar as well. We can just drag and drop to remove them again if necessary or needed. We could ask for the 1D internal forces, and then we get in the property panel several properties which we can change. For example, the result class. For the type of load, we will have load cases, combinations, classes, nonlinear combinations available. And when there's an asterisk before the type of load, that means that the results are not available. So that means that the nonlinear combinations are not yet calculated in this case. So we will choose for the combinations, and then we can choose between combinations that are available in the project. Under Extreme 1D, we can set the values which we want to ask for. There are normal forces, shear forces, moments. So when I ask for the normal forces and I press refresh, we get the result on our structure on all elements, and we get the maximal and minimal result on it. We can play with the parameter Extreme 1D. Now it is set to global, but if we like to have a result on each member, we can put it on member and refresh. And now we get a value on each element in the model. Under selection, there are also possibilities, for example, to filter the results on certain members. We can play, for example, with the cross-section, and we can ask only to show the results on cross-section CS1. And then we get the results on the columns in this case. We could also play with the type of selection and use, for example, the current selection. Then we can make a selection in the model, refresh again, and we get only results on the selection. Now there is as well an option in the status bar, and that's the auto refresh. So if we press the button, now the auto refresh is active. And at the moment that we change something in the settings, in the property dialog, then automatically the results will be refreshed. So if we switch back to all, immediately without pressing the refresh button, all results are available. We can quickly change a cross section, and as well the results are refreshed automatically.